Yo, this your boy Swaggy Delafonte and your boy
Tag,
bringing you another Swaggy Tag production, yo. We about to do Ain't I? You ready? You sure? You ready? Let's get this shit poppin'. Get it, Tag. Hey, ain't we? Ain't we?
ain't we?
Ain't we? Hey, remix,
Of a remix.
Hey, Swaggy Tag production. Come over here and get some loving. Hey, remix, a remix. You got to know your boy Swaggy Tag is back. We gonna come over here cause our pocket's fat. We up at SSU, we gonna do the do. We going to the boo and we gonna look so cool. Hey, Swaggy Delafonte is so sick with it. Come on over here and you wanna touch my with it. Hey, come on over here, baby. Swaggy Tag production, we gonna throw them shady. Yo, we be up in the FSU. Yo, Swaggy Tag just do what it do. We Swaggy Tag. Everybody over here, we got a jag. Hey, what? Ain't we?
Yeah.
Ain't we?
Yes, we.
Ain't we?
Yes, we. Ah.
Ain't we back in Tron? Hey, ain't we putting on?
Yeah.
Ain't our birthday in May? We got it going on. Ain't we?
Ain't we?
Ain't we?
Ain't we?
Ain't we? Hey, ain't we? Hey, Swaggy Tag Productions
What?
up at FSU.
Yeah.
Show 'em Tag, show 'em how to do what.
Well, we got the TV on me, we ain't listening to me.
Hey.
I'm going out there cause I got fresh the day.
Hey.
My shorts are low, but
Hey.
I like to keep
Hey.
it real deep. Girls, you know what I mean when I be up in the sink toilet, baby. That's all I do when I go to the bathroom. If you don't know, baby, somebody better ask you. Sony Productions Tag right back in the building. I'm hype as hell and I can't stop jumping for no reason, baby. Go ahead and cut that shit out. I'm going out there cause I need another lift off. Take off, baby. That's what we gonna do next. What you want with me, baby? I'm already through. What? The camera on, baby. What you want with me and going down? I'm going out there. Kanye West ain't the only one in town. Going out there fresh. About to go out there these feet. What you want with me, baby? Cause ain't we?
Out of here, hey, ain't we? Ain't we?
Ain't we?
Ain't we? Hey, Swaggy Tag Productions up at the FSU, baby. Swaggy Tag gonna show you how to do what it do. Ain't we? Come on, oh, Tag.
Yeah.
What we gonna do today?
We gonna go and play.
What to say? Hey,
What we gonna do? What?
we gonna show you what we gonna do.
Rotating right now. Yes, I know it's true.
But you know Swaggy Tag is good what it do.
Watching South Park on TV.
DVD,
Oh my God, we about to watch a whole DVD.
yo, we be about to buy the South Park DVD.
Brushing my hair, yeah, don't I look so sweet, sweet, sweet.
Yo, Swaggy Tag up in here once again.
Need to get something cause I need to brush my hair again.
Come on, everybody, come over to the pool.
Yes, I know, baby, everybody at the pool.
Hey, yo, UPA.
Yes, I know, FSU all day.
Hey, come on over here, glass of 1, 2.
About to do the Macarena, hey, what did it do?
Hey, do that Soulja Boy, crack that Soulja Boy twice.
But the ball was wet, so what the hell was that, right?
Hey, come on over here to Bandsaw, baby.
Nothing, baby.
Room 2032, FSU, baby.
We about to stop this cause the song is dying down, baby.
Yo, we tired as hell.
We bored as hell.
This what we do all day. Swaggy Tag gonna say, yo, 1, 2, 3, 4, hit the play. Swaggy Tag.